Have you ever wondered what $4.2 million looks like in the Lone Star State? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to this stunning Tudor-style mansion right here in Texas, where old-world charm meets ultra-modern luxury. You're not just touring a home, you're stepping into a story. Hey everyone, I'm Global Lux Homes, and today I'm thrilled to give you an exclusive look inside one of the most luxurious Tudor-style homes in Texas. This estate marries classic craftsmanship with cutting-edge amenities. From the hand-carved woodwork to the soaring ceilings, every detail is designed to take your breath away. As we approach the property, you're greeted by a beautifully symmetrical facade. Steeply pitched gables, decorative half-timbering, and stonework that evoke the elegance of Old English manners. The manicured grounds include lush gardens, mature trees, and a grand driveway that sweeps up to a porte-cochere, the kind of arrival that feels cinematic. Every angle of the exterior reflects thoughtful design and timeless architecture. Walking inside, the foyer immediately impresses with its double-height ceiling and a dramatic staircase that curves gracefully upward. The flooring is a warm, dark hardwood that complements the rich wood tones used throughout. Intricate molding and leaded glass windows filter light in, casting elegant shadows and giving the space a storybook feel. This entry isn't just a passage, it's an introduction to the home's personality. Next, let's explore the living areas. The main living room boasts a stone fireplace that's easily the centerpiece. It's framed by built-in bookcases and topped with a hand-hewn mantel. Light pours in through mullioned windows, illuminating cozy seating areas and plush detailing. Nearby, the library feels like a retreat. Paneled walls, rich bookcases, and a hidden door. Yes, that's a secret passage, giving this space a playful yet refined twist. Now, feast your eyes on the kitchen. It's a chef's dream, with custom cabinetry, marble countertops, and top-tier appliances. A large island anchors the space, perfect for entertaining or casual breakfasts. Just off the kitchen, the formal dining room features a coffered ceiling, a long rustic table, and wrought iron sconces, capturing both grandeur and warmth. This isn't just a place to cook and eat, it's made for making memories. Let's head upstairs to the private quarters. The primary suite is straight out of a fairy tale, large enough for a sitting area with arched windows that frame the views. The walk-in closet feels like a boutique, with custom shelving, soft lighting, and plush finishes. And the bathroom? Think spa-level luxury. A freestanding soaking tub, separate glass shower, and twin vanities, all wrapped in marble and elegant tile work. It's indulgence and serenity perfectly balanced. But that's not all. This home also offers a dedicated home office, rich wood-paneled walls, built-in desks, and a quiet, focused vibe. There's a media room for movie nights, a fitness suite that could rival a gym, and even a wine cellar tucked away with temperature-controlled storage and tasting space. These extras aren't just functional, they elevate the entire living experience. Stepping outside, the outdoor living spaces are absolutely breathtaking. There's a covered patio with an outdoor kitchen and fireplace, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The pool area is secluded yet dramatic, with stone accents and lush landscaping. Beyond the pool, manicured lawns and garden paths invite you to explore, unwind, or simply enjoy the Texas sun in total privacy. This Tudor gem isn't just about the house, it's about the lifestyle. Located in a prestigious neighborhood in City, Texas, you're minutes from top-rated schools, fine dining, boutique shops, and scenic parks. Yet once you're inside these gates, it feels like you're worlds away. It's a private sanctuary with access to everything you need. So there you have it, a $4.2 million Tudor-style masterpiece in Texas that blends historic elegance with modern sophistication. If you love this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury home tours, and leave a comment telling me which room was your favorite. And if you're thinking of buying or selling a home like this or anywhere in Texas, reach out. I'd love to help you find your dream property. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.